In this video, we are going to create a custom template for 404 page in Elementor. So this is the design that we want to replicate, and we can just come here and we can click on add new. So once you click on add new, it will show you predefined templates that are there. You have an option to leave them. You can leave inserting any of these. You can either insert any of these templates, or you can design your custom template as well. So in this case, what I'll do is I'll select one of the pre-designed template, and then I'll customize it as per what we have it here. Okay, so let me just simply select this one. This looks simple one. And here we can start removing the content that is not applicable for our page. I'll just click on delete. Okay, so this is deleted. um, Now what I'll do is first of all I'll just click on a container. So we'll click on the plus sign and then have the container in place. So container is something which is very important for this. Once that is there, I'll divide it into three parts. Okay, so let me just select again, and I'll divide it into three parts. So this is a suitable one here on the right hand side. So I'll select this one, and I'll then click on the plus sign, and we can start inserting the content that we want. So first of all, I'll just start with this text here. It looks like okay, and we can just click on text block. Okay, and here we will paste that text. We can see the alignment is center aligned, so we'll select center alignment here. After that, we have a before that we have a heading. Sorry, we can't find your page. I'll just copy paste this as well, and we can insert another heading here. Okay, and above this I've inserted a heading. I'll just write it. Sorry, we can't find your page. Center align it, and in the style we'll have the color black as per our design. Okay, here we can see the font size as well. If we want to change that, that can be done. So its height is 66 and this is there. So let me just reduce it by little. Okay, so we'll keep it 30. The font size will keep it 30. Font weight will keep the default, that is 600. Okay, so this is done. Now we will add the 404 message, and before that we'll need to add this in the background, this eclipse in the background. So what I'll do is simply I'll select this eclipse, select this. Okay, we have selected all of that information. Okay, we'll go to the right hand side in the bottom, and we'll click on export, and we can just simply export this eclipse. Just name it 1.png. Okay, so now we will add that image here as a background image. Before that, we need a big title to be added there of 404. So I'll just select a heading, add it on the top here. and we will change it to 404. Center line H1, color is black, and we will increase the size of it as well. Okay, the size has been increased. Then we can also update the font to go data. Okay, let me check the font for this as well. It's Roboto. We can change it to go data. But this will be bold, I think. Okay, so this is done. Now we'll add a insert back to home button here. We need to see the color code of the button. So now we'll simply select a button. We'll just put it down here. We will center line it from here. Okay, and the size is medium, so we don't have any icon also added there. So we'll just change the text to back to home. And now we'll change the color of the button. Okay, the text color will be black, and now we have got some borders and so we've got some shadow effect on the left and the right. So first of all, I'll just click on unlink values, because otherwise it will link all of it, and then we can have the okay, sorry, this is the border radius. We want to talk about the border shadow. Okay, so we will have it okay, border type, I'm sorry for that. Border type is selected here, and we will define the width as, we'll unlink it. Okay, so here we'll have 0 on the top, 0 on the left. Okay, 0 on the okay, so we'll have this as 2 on the right hand side. Here we'll have 2, and here we'll have 0. So just like contact us, we have got this effect on the back to home screen as well. So we have got the border on the right hand side and at the bottom. So we can publish this page. Okay, so basically this is our new template. We can test this. Okay, and we are getting our new template. We've got the header there, we've got the footer there, and 404 custom template has come up here. Now there is one small thing, we need to add this eclipse below the 404 thing which is there. Okay, so for that what we'll do is we will add an image, okay, in the background. So one way is we can have a image and then we can move it below 404. Another way is we can have a background image added to this div. So let's try one of these things. Okay, so we'll select 404. Okay, and we'll go to the advanced tab. We're already in the advanced tab here, and we can just scroll down here and click on background. Okay, so in the background we'll set that image. So we have already got the image added in the media file. So I'll just click on choose image. I'll select this image here. Now if you see, we have got it right there, but sometimes you will have to change the settings here. So position needs to be changed to center. Okay, repeat, if it is default, you'll see three images coming like we are seeing it here, but you can do no repeat and you will have one image which is there. Okay, so if you just do control Z, okay, and we can see the images coming up here like it should. Okay, now we can just resize it. If we want, we can change it, change the size of the image also. Like right now I've kept it auto, so I think this looks good to me. So in your case, you can keep updating it or changing it the way you want to. Okay, that's it for this video. We'll catch up with you in the next one.